Hello, hi everyone. This is my first YouTube video I've done for a while. I'm here for a few reasons, a life update, a ōshən knit unbox, and to show off my Ziggy set, the beautiful flare set that I've got at the moment being tested, and trying to promote that for you guys as well. So a little bit of an update. I've just realised you could probably hear my washing machine. Give me a sec. That's probably a bit better. Okay, so a little life update. SunflowerRaes is still up and going. We had a big change in our life where we moved out of a position and left a environment that wasn't healthy for me and my partner, and now we are back on the rise. We have been kitting out our bus to turn it into a motorhome. If you're interested in seeing a bit of that, then let me know and I will show you, and I'm going to do another playlist on my YouTube channel to show you around. I'm so excited about it. So in between building the bus, working nannying in the cafe, the wonderful Nest, I have been dedicating about an hour a day in the mornings before I start work to SunflowerRaes and getting patterns designed and written up, tested, etc. Coming up is I'm working together to get a workshop up and coming in Cairns to teach people how to crochet, to bring them into this amazing community that we have. And I have a few patterns coming. I've got the Ziggy set. I have got the dope mesh skirt. I have also got the trippy zippy leotard, which is proper festival vibes. I also am going to be going through my patterns and making them, this is a goal, this is not going to happen overnight, but making them into measured patterns rather than made to measure. Yeah, so that's a life update for me, and now I'm going to open this with you guys. I've not long got back from England visiting the fam, and I had a rule where I'm not buying any more yarn, so the swatch series is on pause for a while. Right now I need to stop with my addiction and get ready to move into the bus, so this is serious now, like no more yarn, obviously, other than this. But going forward, I have a parcel I've still not opened from Obsession Yarns. I got that when I was in England, and I've not opened it because I have some goals that I want to reach first before I open that. So I'm going to keep that unknown, and we'll do another opening video of that. But I need to open this ōshən fibres one, ōshən knits, my queen, Vanessa. I need to open it and show you guys what I've been sent. Okay, so I got my scissors. Versus, I just released a new collection, which is all things ōshən, inspired by the Great Barrier Reef. She came to visit me when she was in Australia. Oh my god. And yeah, she's got loads of, if you go on her website, it shows you all of the info she's got from behind her collection. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, so we have the rainbow tonal set, which is a fade set. It's which is fingering. There's coral, sea star, fluoro dive, green flash, sea glass, blue crush, periwinkle, jellyfish, nudie branch, and anemone. I think that's how you say that. That's where Nemo lives. So she sent me this amazing fade set. All the minis. Let me see. Should I take them out? But they're going to go straight back into the bag. Right, just to show you. So here's some of them. Oh, they are so, it's so stunning. Look at those, guys. I can't even look at these colours. They are so beautiful. I have been one of these fans for such a long time. I bought her first collection that she released. I spent so much money because I pretty much bought like nearly all of the skins. So I've got a lot of these yarns, so I can't wait to actually bring it to life and make something incredible with it. So we also have, let me open, where's my opening? In Living Coral. Just look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm not really a pink fan, but it's like pinky coral and just absolutely amazing. I'm trying to see if I've got anything. I've got a white pillow here that I can probably put it up against. Look at that. There we go. So I have 5 skeins of this, and I'm planning on making the Made You full dress, which is one of these patterns. I've been eyeing it up for so long now. I've had it for so long, and it's going to be one of my patterns I'm going to be doing, or one of the projects I'm going to be doing, should I say, in the bus when I move into the bus in December. So we've got those, and if you are after a big amount of yarn from Vanessa, if you are to message her on Instagram or email her, she will, and you're going to do a bulk order, she will actually make them in the same pad so that they're all the same batch as well. So I've got 4 plus 1 here, and then I've got 2 of these ones. Of the bird's eye view. Look at this. I can't even look at these colours. Like, I'm going to put it up against white again because I feel like it comes up better if I do that. But look at that. These, I am hoping, I don't know if I'm going to have enough yarn for these, but I was hoping to do like either a pair of shorts. I've only got 2 skeins, so that's 328 yards per skein. So what's that, 656, if my maths is fast. That might be wrong. Comment below if it is. So yeah, I'm hoping to do a pair of shorts, or there's a top from Disco Stitch that I love. She's done a Leo one, when I'm a Leo. Yes, I am. Which is what I want to make with the next colour I'm going to show you. And she also has done a Cancer top, which is absolutely beautiful. So I want to use like how do you say, is it variated, I don't even know how to say it, where basically it's all dyed differently. It begins with a V, and I just can't think of the word at the top of my head, but yeah, I want to maybe use this colour with like another one, maybe like a green, like a block green. So yes, all of these are going into my boxes, and I'm not allowed them until my to-do list is done. Serious. Now this one is my fave out of the whole collection. You know me guys, you know I love yellow, and this is the dotty back, and it reminds me of like candy floss, because there's some pink in there as well. So again, I'm going to put it up against the white pillow so you can see the colours. Maybe focus on that a bit more. But look at that, there we go, that's better. Look at, there's some grey in there, some pink, some like beige, like it's just next level, man, next level, like, and I'm so glad I bought some. Actually, I think V gifted me the dotty back, so thanks V, I love you. So yeah, with that I'm gonna make the Leo top by Disco Stitch. I'm pretty sure that's what I want to make. That's what I want to make anyway. So sorry, I have this thing with V as well where I talk like American because she's from America, and I like to like pretend I'm American around her. So that might be bad for that. Also, I've got like this little thing here. Now this is gonna kill me, right? So my boyfriend, shout out to my man, Curry. He literally dies at all the names of yarn. So obviously there's DK the Sport, that's not like that funny, but the fingering weight yarn, he finds it quite funny because he's like, what does it mean? Obviously double knit means double knit, sports is, it's got like, do you use that for sport wear, he says. And then he's like, but fingering, like what is that? Because you use all the yarn for your fingers. And I'm like, I don't know, but he loves, he's like, it's so stupid, I just don't get it. And he sent me this, look, it says I love fingering, and then it says in small yarn. So like, I'm going to be taking this out, it's going to have my hooks or my life in, right? And when people see it, they're going to think that I'm like a finger blast stuff fan. Like obviously I am, but like not to the extent where I'm going to walk around with this, but I do love fingering yarn. So funny. I've also got this amazing, oh, it's a jelly bag, and it's got knitting needles and a skein over here, and it says Ocean Fibres on the skein. This is so incredible. V designed all of these because obviously she's all things ocean, and the collection's all things ocean, and obviously she's Ocean Fibres / Ocean Knits. Sorry, I talk really fast when I get excited. It's because I'm so excited. I've also got some of the stickers. You're not going to be able to see them because they're holographic. But they've got the jellyfish and there's a mermaid. Calm down. Oh, and she sent me some of the stitch markers. And there's a mermaid tail, a seahorse and a jellyfish. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. Let me put it on my hand instead. There we go. Get my face out the way. Oh, it's still not focusing, because they're holographic too, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. And when I'm out on the go and I want to knit, I've got my holographic Ocean Knits bag. So your current projects that you have, oh, there's another sticker there, little whale. So when you have your projects out on the go and you want to put it in this, and it's got like a little hand thing, so when you're knitting, you can stand away. Yeah. It's so beautiful. So now to keep everything safe, I'm going to be putting that in there. So beautiful. So massive shout out to my amazing friend Vanessa, Ocean Knits. If you live in America, or even if you don't, you need her yarn. It's sensational. So that was a little update on my life, a little unboxing, a little bit of me talking my life away, because you know I like to do that, and a little update on things that I'm getting on up to behind the scenes for SunflowerRaes and what I'm doing with my actual life, which is a lot. As I said before, I'm going to give you an update on the bus and show you where the bus is at and what we're up to and the conversion and how it's been, etc. Shout out to my boyfriend again because he's amazing. He's doing all the building. I am obviously being a beautiful assistant, but sometimes a useless one. So yeah, I am going to be doing releasing some patterns soon, so keep an eye out for those. I'm going to be putting bundles on my website and on my website only. So if you buy from Etsy, Ribbler, Ko-fi, I'm coming to you, Ko-fi, hold on. Etsy, Ribbler, Ko-fi, Ravelry, all of my patterns are going to be available on those. However, bundles are only going to be on my website. So my website is the one and place to be. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions about my upcoming patterns, if you have any question about Ocean Knits, if you want me to do a review on the yarn, if you want me to see what I'm getting up to, then yeah, like comment below. Oh, one last thing. I'm going to be doing a yarn sale. I'm going to be destashing some yarn. It really hurts my heart when I say that. I'm going to be going through my yarn and selling some yarn. So if you're interested in buying some yarn, if you're in Australia, if you're not, if you're coming to my workshop, I'm going to be selling some there as well. So yeah, and yeah, for anyone liking my earrings, these are single-use multiverse, and they're based in Melbourne, and they are made from formula lids, milk bottle lids, and stopping them from going to landfill. And they're my favourite things ever. So yeah, you should check her out too. And that is it for me today, and I will catch up with you all soon. And yeah, lots of love, sunflowers. See you soon.